Well, this comes as eligibility for COVID-19 vaccines is about to expand to all Californians aged 50 and older. As KTVU's Jesse Gary tells us tonight, Bay Area health officials say that vaccine supply still remains an issue.
We have the capacity and the ability to rev up to 3 times what we're doing now, but we don't have the vaccine.
Santa Clara County officials say they're administering 200,000 doses per week. Lowering COVID vaccination eligibility to 50 starting April 1st adds 400,000 people to the waiting lines. This at a time when shortages have forced some sites to cancel giving shots.
The best vaccine is the next one available.
Earlier Thursday, Governor Gavin Newsom saying those 50 and above will be eligible starting April 1st. The limit drops to 16 and above April 15th. Officials say the lowering of age limits will be met with an increase in vaccine supply. Currently, the federal government sends California 1.8 million doses per week. Newsom says that'll increase to 2.5 million doses per week by the first half of April. And by the end of April, officials hope to receive 3 million doses per week.
There's not just light at the end of the tunnel, there's bright light at the end of the tunnel.
Newsom says so far, 15.5 million doses have been administered, and the state's positivity rate is down to 2%.
There's less opportunities for the virus to spread because more people are going to be immune. So it's like a cascading effect.
Officials say 50 out of 58 California counties are now out of the most COVID-restrictive purple tier. 40% of the vaccine is targeted for underserved communities and communities of color.
We understand the importance of creating equitable access not only to COVID testing and vaccinations, but to primary care to our patients and communities.
Officials say the next level of COVID protection, increasing the number of vaccinations, could end the COVID threat. But reaching that goal means increasing the supply of medicine most people will be able to get next month.
So we really just want to caution people to please continue to be patient. We are being told by the federal government and the state that vaccine will be flowing a little bit better.
Dr. Marty Fensterscheib says the vaccine production issue should be resolved by the end of April. That, coupled with more drug makers bringing their COVID-19 vaccine to market, should help alleviate any shortages that we now see. In San Jose, Jesse Gary, KTVU, Fox 2 News.